Hi everybody, this is Check with Beck here. I got a few things to talk to you about today. Today we are going to talk about what I do. Some of the things that I do. Here's one of the few things that I do. Okay, for one we know that the basic colors to sell anything are white, red, and black. So those are the colors that I use for my background. And right now what I'm doing is I do some e-commerce. So I'm going to show you usually what I do. I do it every now and then, but I'll show you how I do this. Okay, so this is a blanket. I got it in red. Now, as you see, I'll put it on the table to however, whatever it is I'm going to show. Right now what I'm doing, I'm going to grab a book to give you an example. Here is a book. This is a teacher book. This is the Nona Teacher's Edition for a book for writing grammar. So what you want to do at the beginning, you want to clean whatever the product is. You never want to post online, whether it's Facebook Marketplace, Let Go, eBay, Amazon, whatever it is that you're selling, dirty, scratched up, because when you put your words to it, it's not going to be very convincing. So you always want to, clean your product, wipe it down. Now, so I will have this on the red background. I'm going to try to move this here so you can probably see this a little better. Excuse the noise that's outside. They are actually tearing down a building next to me, and so it's kind of loud. So what I would do is I would put the book on here. I don't know if you could see it very well. But let's say you have your book. You have the background. You don't want to get other things in the picture because you want them to see exactly what your product is. So I would take a picture of this, but not what's outside of my backdrop. Also, when I have it on here, I'll just bring the book to you. I will have it on my red background, but I will take different views. I will take a picture of this view, which is going to show your, the pages, no markups, no crinkled up pages, no torn pages. Then I take it from this view that will show the same thing. I take it from the side that shows the, if it has any wear on the binder, it'll show up here on the edges. Also, it clarifies what the title is. I will also then take a picture of not the front page. I go and look for the page of the book that is going to describe all the information, like the author, most of the time the copyright date. This is 2001. When you are on eBay, you have an option under details where you can explain all of that. The copyright date, the author, if this is an educational book. In my description of this book, I will write down, since this is a teacher's edition, I will explain what exercises are in here for the teacher to do. So this right here, says teacher's resources, what's in the book, and then also what the the chapters are. So here I would have the contents, chapters 1 through 16, what the contents are. I'd list, the chapters, what's in the book. So that way that they're able to understand more of what the book is that you're selling and what is contained in the book. Because just seeing the book cover isn't going to sell your book as well. I've seen plenty of posts on the eBay where you just see a front picture of the book or a generalized picture taking, downloaded from the internet. And if there's no details in there, no description of the book, doesn't say what's in the book, it's not going to help out your customer. They want to see what is in the book to find out, if that's what they want, if that's what they need. Because there could be something that they're looking for that is contained inside of this book, but if you don't list it, you might miss a sale. So remember, your backdrops, what are our 3 colors? We have white, we have black, and we have red. Make sure in the description you describe exactly what your product is. Whether it is an object, describe it. Where it came from, the year it was made, when it was made, is it China, porcelain, plastic, steel, aluminum, styrofoam. If it's a book, make sure that you have descriptive details of what's in it. Also, I would advise you on a book on words that will sell that you could use to actually sell what your product is by the way that you describe in detail what you are selling. If this is of any help, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel right below. I will have the information on the book that you could use that will help you into writing a descriptive paragraph of what you need to sell. That will sell it in a good way, not where somebody's just gonna pass you by. Thank you for watching. This is Check with Beck, and tune in next time. Bye.